Yeah, in this session, we are going to learn three more formulas. One is YTD, month to date, year to date, and quarter to date. What exactly it is? It is nothing but a cumulative functions. Okay, cumulative functions, we already know that one. How cumulative function works. I just wanted to show that in a tabular formula. I just take one table here. Okay, in that table, I will take it into focus mode so that I will get detail. I just take here the in a sales data the order date in a value. Okay, it give the year, quarter, this one month, everything in order. Then I need a sales value, so I take not quantity order. I will take okay quantity order here. Okay. So we have quantity order, but I don't want to filter in terms of quantity order. I just want to arrange them in terms of day wise and month wise. Just click on those arrow keys here so that it will be arranged in a ascending order. Here, what I need to have a cumulative of this. Every month cumulative I need means January 1st, there was 1,300 on first day. Second day, I need a it will be added to this one. We need to get a cumulative. Third day, what is the total sales? Fourth day, what is the total sales in a January month? In a tenth day, what was the total sales in a January month? Like this monthly, I would like to have some sales. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to create a new measure called as a month to date. How to create that one? I'll go back to my measure table. I'll create a new measure here. When I create a new measure, I just want to create a measure like month to date, right? Month to date. We have a formula called as a total MTD. Total MTD. I take that one, total MTD. First, it asks the expressions like what to be calculated. Is it a total means I need to calculate a sum. You can take an average of this cumulative also, but I need a sum of cumulative. So sum. Quantity sold I need to take. So quantity order on that particular column I need to take a sum, comma. Now I need to give the dates. Means the date column I need to select. So I have order date, order date. Okay, and we need to select that dot date. Okay, dot date means that will convert it into a date column. Okay, if it is not converted also, it will convert into date column. So that we take it a dot date. Then close the bracket. If I enter now, it will be created here. MTD is created. Now I take that MTD to the this value so that it will show in a table. You can see here now in a table. Okay, now in a table, the first is a 1300 plus 1491 2791 plus 789, it become a 3580 plus 1348, it become a like this. Okay, it will keep on adding it up to January, it will add it again. In February, it will be start new. You can say 43. Again, there is nothing sales in a second day, so 43 only. Again, 240 added to 43, like this it will be keep on. And March, again it will start from the fresh. Means each month it will calculate the cumulative because we have given a YTD. Okay, in case if I change, I would like to have a month to date. What we have to do? We have to use a total. For example, year to date I need, so I need to use a total YTD year to date. The expression is same like sum of. I just need to change the column name. I just say sales um order quantity I need, right? So I just write order quantity order, that will be taken as sum, comma, date column I need. So order date, this is the name I given, order date dot date we have to select. Close the bracket. You will get a YTD. Means every year it will be calculating. Every year it will be calculating. You can see if I take this YTD, just I will scroll down here, just put it here. Okay, we get a YTD here. Okay, year to date means up to January this 2014, the entire 2014 it will calculate a cumulative. Okay, the moment it become a 2015, again it will freshly calculate. August, September, October, November. Uh, yeah, 2003 here. Okay, 2003. 2004 is over because we have been arranged a year in a ascending order or like descending order. Again, it start calculating for the 2003, right? This way, it will be calculated. Okay, year to date. Like I just wanted to keep that in a order also. Means what I will do, I will take year also in a order. So that what will happen? I will have a clear that month to date for that year and that month. Okay. Um, one. Okay. Then I have a next year, then June, July, August from there. Okay. And 2003 again it will start fresh. You can see 2003 is over. 4 it will start fresh. September, October, November, December, yeah, January 2004 again it will start from the fresh, right? 1 2 3 again it will start like this, it will be taken, right? Similarly I can do it on a quarterly basis also, like here I can change into the, yeah, quarter, then within that year. Okay, quarterly basis also we can have, like just by using a new measure. I just say quarter to date, total Qtd as a sum of uh, quantity, quantity ordered, close the bracket, complete that one, comma, date I need, so order date dot date, I will convert that into date format, close the bracket. In case I would like to add some more filter, what I can do, I can comma, I can say filter like I just want to have a status. Okay, okay, this status should be equal to, I just say here status to be equal to, I say cancelled, right? Spelling should be correct. Right? I can add some filter also, not only just like date wise. Only for the cancelled order, I need to calculate a cumulative. So quarterly basis. What I will do, I say okay. It has been created here. I just take it here so that you can look at. Okay, only for the cancelled order it is giving. So there is no cancelled order, so it will show 0 so far. Okay, the moment it will show means there is a cancelled order started. If I go, I think there is no cancelled order at all in a quarterly basis. Okay, we are not able to uh, check it cancelled order, but his spelling is correct. I need to check CAN cancelled. I think E to be added here so that we get it, because sometimes spelling mistake will be a biggest problem. Yeah, yes, spelling was mistake, cancelled. Okay, so here you can see quarterly. Okay, so in 2004 May 17 it started cancelled, and there is no cancelled order so far. Okay, and until this become June 1, then only cancelled order. The difference if you take, that is a number of cancelled order in a post June 2014. Like this we have a quarterly cumulative we will be having in terms of that filter applied. So what exactly we are going to do here, we are using some of the filters also we can use, and we are taking a cumulative one by using a total qtd ytd and mtd formula. The formula is very simple, but I'm taking a date column and I'm taking a cumulative of that in each of the month, this one. Okay, so this is what the ytd qtd and mtd formulas are in a uh, Power BI DAX. Okay, some more formula we will come across in a coming video.